Today we're showing you a 2022 Massey Ferguson 1840M tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a Massey Ferguson FL 2611 quick attach front end loader. Tractor has just over 250 hours. Looks practically new. It's a very sharp machine. Does come with the balance of the factory Massey Ferguson warranty, which runs into November of 2027. It's a very nice machine here. Again, looks practically new. The paint is excellent on the tractor. Has a skid steer style quick attach here for your bucket quick attach. Bucket barely has any paint out of it. Front grill guard is there. It's got the LED work lights on front and back of the cab. Also has mirrors on both sides of the cab. Entry door on both sides. Toolbox back here, rear hydraulic outlet, has top link and drawbar, everything is here. Extendable 3-point arms, even has the PTO button on the fender here. Show you the inside of the cab. It's got a really nice comfortable air ride seat in it. Has 3 ranges in the hydrostatic transmission. Well, your max speed setting, hydrostat response, and cruise control all located right here on the side. All your 3-point throttle, hydraulic controls all located to the right there. Has the twin pedal hydro pedals over there. And then up top you have some light switches, climate controls, and also has a radio there as well. It's a very sharp tractor, as you can see. Again, comes with lots of factory warranty that is left on the machine. If you're looking for a tractor in this size range with this kind of equipment on it, certainly a very nice buy here. If you'd like to come in, check the tractor out for yourself, certainly feel free to do so. Any other questions on this unit or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at massedtractor.com.